You called?
You can be whatever you want to be.
Hey, guess what? This isn't Matt's phone anymore. This is mine. So you just have to delete the number. Did you say when's the commercial? What? Ah! Daddy is smoking a pipe. What? Tell him to come over there. Well, you know what? Nigga don't want to come over there. Oh, I just burned you. What's wrong with me is I had coffee then just like, but Patrick, why do you have Patrick up there? What nigga? My nigga's I'm talking about Patrick, nigga. Who is Patrick? Patrick's my invisible homie. I'm gonna repeat like once today. Who is Patrick? Nigga is right, yeah, nigga. Nigga, I'm high, okay?
Michaela!
No, not really. Not really. Not really. I'm just... Am I smoking Genghis? What?
Genghis Khan?
Genghis Khan, what? Nigga daddy... This is little nigga.
Daughter.
This is little nigga. Nigga daddy's drinking coffee. Nigga daddy, okay, look, nigga daddy is mad. Nigga daddy ain't got no respect for you. Homie, have you ever seen Meet the Fuckers?
What the fuck?
Have you ever seen Meet the Fuckers? Listen to me. Have you ever seen, hello? Have you ever seen Meet the Fuckers? Really, what's it about? Did you say somebody eat the weed? And then fuck. What? Who's got? I'm on the stuff. I'm on the stuff. What? Daddy, don't take out the earring.
Just for now.
What? Is Tyler with you? Motherfucker. You know what? Hold on. No. Keep that go. I'm gonna call that nigga back.
Conversation into Tyler.
Huh?
Hi.
Nigga, this is what you get for calling me and then hanging up. Hold on. Bye, nigga.